Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2021 Ducati Panigale V2 959. This is Ducati's mid-size superbike. Has the 955cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title bike. Bike has only 7,032 miles on the odometer. Bike is very clean. Has the full electronics package, ABS brakes, traction control, V-twin engine, makes 150 plus horsepower. Bike is very clean. New Pirelli tires, front and rear. Frame sliders. Other than that, the bike is all factory. Ready to ride. Price at only $16,499 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle.